Hello everyone, my name is Aastha. I welcome you all to our classes for International English Olympiad for class 10th. Today is our fourth class in the series and we will be doing the topic of spellings, which is one such topic which cannot really be taught comprehensively by one person. However, what we can do is understand the various rules and try to figure it out from the sounds, which is what we are going to do. Also through the help of some sample questions which are based on the pattern of IEO. So let's get started.
So what is our mission for today? आज हम कौन सा topic करने वाले हैं? We will do a very interesting but a little bit tricky also the topic of spellings. Right, let's start. Okay, so spellings. For spellings एक जो हमारे पास एक what do we call it? एक hack जो है, एक जो strategy है, that is reading, reading and reading. Now world में there are so many spellings and I cannot teach them all to you. Nobody can teach all of them to you, right? मैं आपको बस एक basic understanding दे सकती हूँ spellings की, थोड़ी सी clues, but उसके आगे what you have to do is we will be learning with the quiz only. And spellings के लिए the thing is उनकी sound पे focus करना होता है and you have to read and read and read. This means you have to involve English in your life. As I have told you, involving English means either reading it, writing it, speaking all the time and even listening. So all these aspects you include English, this topic of spellings, now this will be a piece of cake for you. Alright, let's start. Okay, now here I have a few rules for spellings. This is not comprehensive नहीं, this is not complete. These are just few basic rules spellings की जो पता होने चाहिए. For example, every word has at least one vowel. Alright, and every syllabus has one vowel. Every syllable also has one vowel. Then C can be said K or S, like here you see. जो C है उसकी sound जो S वाली आती है, that comes before an E or I or Y, like scent, city, cycle. This C है पर sound क्या है? S की, S sound. So it comes before either an E or an I or an Y or a Y. Alright. Then C की sound जो K वाली है, this K sound, it comes before everything else. Cat, clip. Okay. Examples are also given. Then we have G. It can be said G or here J sound, J wali. Alright. Now G may be sound, the J sound may be either before an E or an I or a Y, like gem, like giant, like gym. Okay. And it may be the G sound of itself before everything else, like garden, like glad, and anything else. Okay. Now here another one. Q is always followed by a U. Queen. Okay. Now other, double the consonants F, L, S at the end of a one syllable word that has just one vowel. So you double these consonants F, L and S at the end of a one syllable word. Stiff, spell, pass, they are one syllable words and have only one vowel. So we double the consonants in the end. Alright. Then spell the sound of K at the end of a word. We use either CK sound or K sound. Here let's see. CK is used after a short vowel, like sick, short vowel. But after everything else we use K, like milk. Alright. Here and the another one, capitalized names, which I'm pretty sure you know because names are proper nouns, so we capitalize them. These are the few rules we taught. Every word has one vowel, at least one vowel. Every syllable has one vowel. And C sound of K or S G sound of G or J. Q is always followed by a U. Double the consonants of these F, L and S at the end of one syllable word. Then spell the sound of K, L, K at the end of a word, either CK or K. Alright, these were a few rules for spellings. Alright, a few more rules. Now A, E, O and U, they usually say their name at the end of a syllable, like apron, like you see their name. We're starting with apron, not apron. It's apron. So A का नाम क्या है? It's A itself, so apron. Here me, E at the end. Here again O, you see, go. So the complete name of O. Then unit. So here U. Alright. Then other one like words do not end in B or J. We add a silent E at the end of the word, like have. So remember, words do not end in B or J. At the end we have a silent E. Alright. Then contractions replace letters with an apostrophe to shorten a phrase. Like we know I have represents I have. I'm pretty sure you know about contractions. It's pretty easy rule. Then I and O, they may be these sounds before two consonants, like I की sound हो जाती है here in kind, like I, okay, and like sold में it's complete O, sold. Alright. Then this J sound is spelled D-G-E after a short vowel. For example, edge. So that J sound. Right. And we also capitalize the name of places because they are also proper nouns. Alright. So I hope you have understood these rules. Now let's move on. Now it's time to take our quiz. Let's start. Alright, so for the quiz, what we will be doing is, now every question you will be given 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. Why am I giving you 1 minute? Because you see, your question paper of IEO, it has about 50 questions, and so you can imagine that you get more or less a minute to answer the questions. Now this 1 minute is the maximum that you should be taking for answering the question. Now suppose there could be two, three categories of students. First category is, suppose you answer the question within that 1 minute. So I would request you to fast forward the video and skip right to the answer. You should not be wasting your time. Alright. Now the other students who are not able to answer the question in 1 minute, what you do, you don't skip to the answer. You pause the video and you write down your answer. Alright, it is very important to answer each and every question because there is no negative marking. Here you see, for every incorrect answer, no points because there is no negative marking in IEO, so it is important that you attempt all the questions. Now for a question of which you are not sure about the answer, now even here and even in the exam, if you are not sure about the answer and you maybe think that B option might be correct or C option might be correct, so you should in that case play your luck and play your mind and make a guess and still give an answer, because it is a win-win situation. Either you will get the marks for that question or you will get a 0, right? But if you don't attempt that question at all, then you are anyway getting a 0 in that, right? So it is good to attempt those questions, and even if you don't know all the answers, try to understand and take a guess. Okay, so this is for every correct answer 10 points. This is just for your for your own little game where you can try to maintain a notepad. So here you write the name of the chapter and then the question, and then if it is correct you can give yourself 10 points. If it is not correct you mark it here. So it is important to see these questions, the ones which you mark incorrect. It is important to go back to them later and then see where you did the mistake. Alright, this is just for your reference. For every correct answer you can give yourself 10 points. Alright, now let's start.
So your time starts now. Five seconds left. Seconds up. Seconds left. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up. Alright, so now we start off with the questions on spellings. Here what we have to do is choose the option with the correct spelling. Alright, let's see. Okay, so we have to choose the correct spelling. Okay. Here the correct spelling is that of acquitted. The other words, this accessory should have a double S. Accidentally should have a double L. Absence, ABSENCE. Okay, absence. Okay. So your time starts now. Five seconds left. Seconds up. Seconds left. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up. Alright, here the word with the correct spelling is C, severely. The other options you see, A sentence, SENTENCE it should be. Then B sequel, SEQUEL. Alright. Then C's. C's should be SEIZE, not SIEZE. Okay. So your time starts now. Seconds left. Seconds up. 15 seconds left. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up. Okay, here the correctly spelled word is ADC. The other options here we have definitely. Now definitely is actually spelled as DEFINI. Okay, instead of ANITELY. Then we have dependency. Now in dependency we have DEPE and DENCY, not ANCY. Then we have decision, it should be DECISION, not SCI. Alright. So your time starts now. "45 seconds left. 30 seconds up. 15 seconds left. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up. Okay, now next. Okay, here the correct answer is that of B, dialogue, whereas others you see desperate. Now desperate is spelled as DESPERATE. Okay, DESPERATE. Yes, instead of this A you get an E. Then discussion. Here we're supposed to have a single S. DISCUSSION. Then we have deities. Now for deities the correct spelling is not DIE, in fact it is DEI. DEITIES. Alright. So your time starts now. "45 seconds left. 30 seconds up. 15 seconds left. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up. Okay, here the correct spelling is that of C, temporarily. The other options, tobacco. Now tobacco is actually spelled as TOBBACO. Okay, so एक तो ये single C होगा यहाँ पे, and here instead of O we're supposed to have, instead of an A we're supposed to have O. So ACO. Sorry, let me repeat. TOBBACO. Alright, then here in a tattoo we get a double T in middle, so TATTOO. Then we have temperature. Now for temperature the correct spelling is
T-E-M-P, here you get an E, T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E. Alright.
So your time starts now.
Forty-five seconds left. Seconds up. Seconds left. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up. Okay, now here the correctly spelled word is D, 12th. The other options, the other words are incorrectly spelled, which means they are misspelled. Here you see in thieves, you don't have an EI, instead you have an IE, THIEVES. Then for tolerant, you're supposed to have TOLERANT. Okay, and then for tomorrow, I'm pretty sure you know, TOMRROW. Alright.
So your time starts now.
Seconds left. Seconds up. Seconds left. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up. Okay, here we have the correctly spelled word is opportunities. OPPORTUNITIES. Okay, the other words are incorrectly spelled. Here, obedience is correctly spelled as OBEDIENCE, not ANCE, should be ENCE. Then we have occurrence. Now in occurrence as well, the correct spelling is OCCURR. Instead of ANCE, it should be ENCE. Alright. Then here, officially. In officially, we're supposed to have OFFICIALLY. Alright.
So your time starts now.
Seconds left. Seconds up. Seconds left. 10, 8, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up.
Okay, now here the correctly spelled word is mechanism. ISM. Alright. Now here probably they're trying to say medicinal. So for medicinal the correct spelling is MEDICINAL. Alright. MEDICINAL. Then for the other words, like here we have millennium. Millennium, the correct spelling is MILLENNIUM. Okay, so single L, we have a double L. Then we have for misuse. For misuse, the correctly spelled word would be MISUSE, not double S, rather a single S. Alright.
So your time starts now. Five seconds left. Seconds up. 15 seconds left. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up.
Okay, here. Alright, now this is a different category. You have to choose the option with the incorrect spelling. So here the word with the incorrect spelling is B. What they're trying to say is accommodate. And for accommodate, the correct spelling is ACCOMM. Instead of single M, we have a double M. OMMODATE. Okay, so accommodate.
So your time starts now. Five seconds left. 30 seconds up. 15 seconds left. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up.
Alright, here again we have to choose the incorrectly spelt word, which is the misspelled word. So here the misspelled word is B, competition. Now the correct spelling for competition is COMPETITION, not just TUN, rather TITION. Alright.
So your time starts now. Five seconds left. 10, seconds up. 15 seconds left. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up. Alright, now here explanation, existence, beginning and okay. So the incorrect word here is D, calendar. The correct spelling of calendar is C-A-L-E-N-D-A-R. Not A-N-D-A-R, rather it should be C-A-L-E-N-D-A-R. Alright. So your time starts now. Five seconds left. 30 seconds up. 15 seconds left. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up. Okay, now here discipline, equipped. Okay, so here the misspelled word is symmetry. So here what they are trying to say is cemetery. Now cemetery is correctly spelled as C-E-M-E-T-E-R-Y, not T-R-Y, rather T-E-R-Y. It is sort of a graveyard. Alright. Other words, discipline, equipped, excellence are correctly spelled. So your time starts now. Five seconds left. 30 seconds up. 15 seconds left. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up. Alright, now here we have, okay, so the incorrect word, the misspelled word is here D, convenience. What they're trying to say is convenience with the correct spelling C-O-N-V-E-N-I-E-N-C-E, not V-I-N. Instead it is E-N-I-E-N-C-E. Alright. Other words, brilliant, different, separate are correctly spelled. Alright. So your time starts now. Five seconds left. 10, 30 seconds up. Seconds left. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up. Okay, here we have the incorrectly spelled word is be goddess. Goddess is supposed to have double D, so Goddes is the correct spelling. The other words general, genesis, gentleman are correctly spelled. So your time starts now. Seconds left. 30 seconds up. Seconds left. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up. Okay, here we have permanent. Okay, so here the incorrectly spelled word is C, perseverant. So okay, so here what they are trying to say is perseverant. So its correct spelling is P-E-R, not R-E, E-R-S-E-V-E-R-A-N-T. Alright, perseverant refers to someone, who's resolute and very encouraged. Okay. Other words, permanent, permitting, parallel are correctly spelled. So your time starts now. Seconds left. 30 seconds up. Seconds left. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up. Okay, here we have persuade, phenomenal, okay. So here the incorrectly spelled word is precipitation. The correct spelling of precipitation is P-R-E-C-I-P-I-T-A, not double T, I-T-A-T-I-O-N, refers to rain, drizzling. Right. Other words like persuade, phenomenal, Philippine, they are all correctly spelled. So your time starts now. Seconds left.
30 seconds up. Seconds left. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up. Okay, here we have negative, negotiate, nuclear and naturally. The incorrectly spelled word is D, naturally. It is supposed to have a double L, naturally, N-A-T-U-R-A-L-L-Y. Other words, negative, negotiate, nuclear, all of these are correctly spelled. So your time starts now. Seconds left. 30 seconds up. Seconds left. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up. Okay, so here the misspelled word is a necessary. For necessary, the spelling is N-E-C-E-double-S, not a single S. Double S-A-R-Y. Other words like ninth, numerous, noticeable, all of these are correctly spelled. Okay. So your time starts now. Seconds left. 30 seconds up. 15 seconds left. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up. Okay, so here again we have to choose what? Choose the word with the incorrect spelling. So there will be 3 words which will be correctly spelled, 1 word which is misspelled. So you have to choose that. Here the word which is incorrectly spelled is permeable. Now permeable is correctly spelled as P-E-R-M-E-A-B-L-E. There shouldn't be any A over here. Permeable. Alright. Permeable is an adjective which is referred for certain materials through which say liquid can pass as permeable material. The other words here, pedantic, paucity, perissal, are all correctly spelled. Now here these might be new to you. Pedantic refers to someone who is very firm with details or rules. Okay. Paucity is the lack of something, like paucity of water, which is like the lack of water. Okay. Then we have perissal. Perissal is the action of examining something, right? Reading something and analyzing something. Okay.
So your time starts now. "45 seconds left. "30 seconds up. "15 seconds left. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up.
Okay, here we have ingress, intonate, innocuous, intrinsic. Okay, so here we have to choose the word with the incorrect spelling, which is C, innocuous, which is correctly spelled as I-double-N, not a single N, I-double-N-O-C-U-O-U-S. So the correct answer is C. It is incorrectly spelled. And innocuous means something that is safe, that is not harmful. All right. The other words, like here we have ingress. Ingress is the arrival of something, the entry of something. Okay. Then we have intonate. Intonate refers to something which is something like, if we use it a verb, intonating something, it is a intonation using certain modulations in voice while say reciting something or reading something. Okay. Then we have intrinsic. Intrinsic refers to something that is natural and by default understood. Okay.
So your time starts now. "45 seconds left. "30 seconds up. "15 seconds left. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and wind up.
Okay, so here the word which is incorrectly spelled is a emollient. Emollient, the correct spelling is E-M-O-double-L. Double L-I-E-N-T. Okay, I-E-N-T. Emollient is something which can soothe you, can soften something. All right. Then the other words, dictum, errant, ephemeral, all these are correctly spelled. Dictum refers to, dictum is sort of an announcement, a pronouncement sort of thing. Okay. Then we have errant. Errant as an adjective can refer to something, that is full of errors. Right. I think that's the simplest way I can put it in. Something that includes errors. Okay. We have ephemeral. Ephemeral, something that is lasting, sort of permanent, lasts for a very long time. That's ephemeral. All right. Okay, so with this we finish off the questions on spellings.
That's all for our class on spellings. I hope you have understood the basic rules which can provide a hint as to the spelling of the word that has to be recognized. All right. So till then, I'll see you the next time. Till then, keep revising and keep learning. Thank you for watching.